Okay, students. So we already discussed about this. So we have to find what ma? If objects A, B are now held near each other, they will attract, repel, or there is no effect. We have to find this. So after finding this is B prime, this is C double prime, this is A. After touching these bodies, then find this is final charge of A, this is final charge of B, this is final charge of C. So for A, after touching A with C, this is final charge. How much it is? Final charge, it is negative charge. Yes or no? This belongs to A. This belongs to C. Okay, right? After touching A body with the C, then what is the final charge for A body? Having negative charge. So that A is negative. Next, after touching B with the C, then what is the final charge of B? Is negative. Is negative. So that B is what ma? Negative. Next, C. Final charge. This is C double prime. So that this body, C body is touching with A. So that some charge is going to be transferred to A. Again, this C prime, again touch with the B. Then what is the final charge of C body? Is negative, positive charge. Okay, got it ma? Positive charge. Once again, be careful students. A body is touched with the C. So that some charge get distributed from A to C and C to A. So that A is having what type of charge? It is a negative charge. Next, C body is touched with A. Then how much it is? How much charge get distributed? So that the final charge is minus 3 microcoulomb upon 2. Means what ma? A body having positive or negative charge. Negative charge. A body having negative charge. Again, C here we are not going to consider. Why? Because this C body again made contact with the B body. Already some charge has distributed. We have to take this type of charge. Okay, right? Next, here we have taken like this. Same situation ma. Be careful. So for C body having how much charge it is? What type of charge it have? It is having negative or positive charge. It is having what type of charge it is? Positive charge. Be careful students. So that it is having positive charge. So B is having positive charge. B is having what type of charge it is having? Positive charge. And C is having positive charge. Now tell me students. Here they asked that if objects A and B are now held near each other, they will, what happens if we taken A and B? A having what type of charge it is? Negative charge. B having what type of charge it is? Positive charge. Then what happens? In between these two, attraction will take place. In between these two, what happens? A and B, attraction will take place. If they given A and C, then what happens? Attraction. If you taken B and C, repulsion. Got it ma? So once again we will discuss this question. Very important question it is. They given that objects A, B and C are three identical. Identical means same. Insulated spheres. They are insulated spheres means what ma? Outside we have some coating is there, so that with some wire we are going to make some contact each other. Okay, right? So next, originally A and B having charges of plus 3 millicoulomb. So A and B having some charges is equal distribution of charges, equally charged. Okay, right? So how much it is? Plus 3 microcoulomb, plus 3 microcoulomb. Next, C body having, they given that C body having how much it is? Minus 6 millicoulomb. Next, so first assumption is, their assumption is objects A and C are touched. Objects A and C are touched. So we know that we have some assumption that A and C are touched. So we have to find initially what is the total charge of these two bodies. What is the total charge of these two bodies? So Q1 plus Q2, we already know about that. How much it is? Minus 3 microcoulomb. After touching, then what happens ma? Equally charge may get distributed. Equally charge is going to get distributed. So how much charge is going to get distributed from A to C or C to A? From C to A and A to C, after equally distributed, So what is the charge of A prime and what is the charge of C prime? So what is the charge of A prime is half the part of initial charge. Half the part of initial charge. What is the initial charge? Half part minus 3 millicoulomb upon 2. Next, half part of initial charges, how much it is? Minus 3 millicoulomb upon 2. Okay, got it, ma? Here for A body got what type of charge it is? Final charge is negative charge. Okay, if we consider here, this is not possible. Why? Because again this body is going to contact with the B body. C body is going to contact with the B body. Okay, got it, ma? Again, second assumption, he said that objects B and C are touched before they move apart. Okay, understood? So we have taken B and C are touched. B and C. This C may not. Okay, right? Why? Because after touching this, some charge is going to get distributed. Okay, so that we have taken B and C prime. This is C prime. So B body having how much charge it is? Plus 3 microcoulomb. C prime having minus 3 microcoulomb upon 2. Okay, again, same cassette. Q initial, finding Q initial, total charge, how much it is in between these two. How much charge is there? Q1 plus Q2. So how much it is? Plus 3 millicoulomb upon 2. By adding these two, we got plus 3 microcoulomb upon 2. Again, by making contact each other, then what happens? Half the part of this and half the part of this equally distributed. So that plus 3 millicoulomb upon 4, quarter the 4. Okay, understood, students? Again, so this is final charge for B body. This is final charge for C body. This is final charge for A body. Okay, got it, Nana? So that what is the final charge after made contact for A body is negative. After made with C body, then what is the B body? Charge is positive. Again, this C body is made contact each other? No. So that the charge for C body is positive. So we have taken that. Finally, we have taken that A body having negative charge, B body having positive charge, C body having positive charge. Okay, they asked that if bodies A and B are now held near each other, then if A and B are taken near each other, this is negative, this is positive, then what happens? Attraction. If they ask here, if A and C are now held in each other, A and C are taken near to each other, then what happens? Again, attraction. If they ask that B and C are kept near each other, then what happens? Repulsion will take place. Why? Because negative and negative, positive and positive, then what happens, ma? Repulsion will take place. Got it, Nana? So this is very, very important question. Here we have the formulas. Here we have the formulas. These are the formulas. Be careful. So if they given, they are asked that identical. If these pairs are not identical, means if their pairs are different, sizes are different, then R1, R2, R3 are different. There so many equations will take place. Understood, students? So be careful. Here we have used two formulas only. Q initial finding. Firstly, initially we have to find a Q initial total charge, making half. If the spheres are having same radii, we have to use this formula, Q1 prime, Q2 prime, like this. Understood, students? This is very, very important question. Be careful. That's it now.